Welcome back to this training. This is for beginner, and here I will explain JVM a little bit. Have you ever thought that when we write code, why we use particular words? Okay, let's say I'm going to write same easy example, touch test.java. Okay, now I'm going to write class test. As I said before, Java class we have to save using the same name, class test. This is the test. We have to save this test.java. Class is keyword, reserved word. Okay, this is, we cannot use normally. This is reserved word. Anyway, to understand JVM, I need a complete program, public static void main string s, and this is the body of the main method. Okay, and let's say I want to print hello. So here also public static void, these are keyword. Now I want to run this. Look here, here is only one file. This is test.java, and what I am doing, I am Java C compiler. It is asking to run this. It is running, and then what happened? You see, it is creating a new file .class. So how this is happening and why we need this? So when we create a file, Java compiler read this file and convert into class or bytecode. Once it is done, then Java can read this. Okay, and it can show the results. So here is some steps: Java C and Java, and another point is JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay, if you do not understand this thing right now, it is fine. Just listen and try to see this, how it works. So first we are converting, or Java C, converting this test.java, this file, into bytecode or class. This is, and then second step, Java is reading this and providing us the result. Now here is, you see one folder JDK. If I write free JDK, this is Linux command, we can see that inside JDK there is Java and Java C. All right. So and inside JDK also JRE. Java C is the compiler. When we run this, it convert this class to bytecode or class. That is you understood maybe. And now when we run the Java, what happens? In simply, when we run the Java will enforce JVM to do some work. All right, like calling main method, whatever it is, then show the result. So Java enforce JVM for beginner to understand that this Java is asking JVM do the task, and it is doing the task and showing the result. In short, this is to understand, technically not correct everything. So JDK, inside JDK you will find Java and Java C and JRE. Okay, inside JRE is JVM. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. When we run the Java, it needs something, and JRE provide those. Listen carefully. When we run Java, I'm running Java and test, we need something, then JRE, Java Runtime Environment, will provide. So when I'm running Java, I need JVM. Java is asking JVM, do the task, read the program and show us the result. And Java JVM is doing this task. So when we run javac is converting this class to bytecode class. Only this class bytecode JVM can read. Okay, this is step. So JVM is one part of JDK. JDK is, let's say JDK is altogether one package or box. Inside JDK there is Java, there is javac, and there is JRE, and JRE is the runtime environment. It is going to provide what we need during the running. So Java is asking read this, JVM doing this thing. If we need more stuff, then JRE will provide. This is basic concept about JVM. You have to know this JVM, javac, and JRE. In following video, I will also explain this thing. You can keep watching and practice. Thank you very much.